Hi, and welcome to Wirewerks LGXtra Hybrid Patch Module installation video. This video is one of several hybrid fiber and copper solutions in Wirewerks Fiber+Power family of products. It is a compact module designed to receive, breakout, and terminate hybrid cables with up to 12 fibers and 8 copper power conductors, hereafter distributing the fiber media and power to remote devices. It includes an integrated removable conductor separator plate and a fusion splice tray, which contains Wireworks' exclusive no cable tie strain relief sleeve, along with an LGXtra adapter strip. Great, now let's start with the installation. Remove the top cover by unscrewing the center screw counterclockwise with a flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the separator plate to access the mini splice tray. Apply pressure upwards on the white paper tabs to disengage the mini splice tray from the base, while doing the same with the adapter strip. Secure the incoming cables on either side of the mini splice tray, as shown in this example. Make sure to leave at least 18 inches of fiber after the cable grip strain relief to allow for splicing. We recommend following the mini splice tray installation video for more details about splicing and routing. Once the splicing is complete, place the separator plate in the module. Start by removing the splicing connectors from their holders. Then, connect each incoming conductor to the top or bottom ports. Connect the outgoing conductors in the matching ports and replace the connectors in the holder. Now, to secure the cables to the module, use the provided bridge lenses. Lastly, place the cover back on and screw it back in place. You may use the identification sticker provided with the module and place it in front of the adapter strip. The LGXtra Hybrid Patch Module chassis uses push and pull mounting clips for fast, simple installation or removal in most LGX compliant panel or enclosures. For more information about our LGXtra hybrid solutions, please visit our social media or visit our website at www.wirewerks.com.